Hi, Busker 909 here. That was my interpretation of Imagine by John Lennon. Very doable on the 3-string cigar box guitar. I'm tuned to open G. G, D, G. So we start off with a C chord, 5th fret. And we're sort of the reverse of a lot of stuff we've done has been like boogie stuff where we go with thumb and 2 fingers. Or anything like that. We're going to do the opposite. Like that, 3 times. Then we're going to switch to C major 7th, which is 5, 5, 4. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go up to F major 7th, a different version you might not have seen before. So we're going to go 7 on the middle, 9 on the high, 10 on the low. A little tricky at first, but it's not really that hard. 3 of those. And then a run. Back to the C. In this case it'd be going to the high strings, then the low string again. We can also do the run on the high string. I did it both ways. You can pick whichever way you like better, because it's actually done on piano, so we have with 2 hands, we have a little leeway here. So I'll play that for you. If you're singing and it's time to go into the other part of the song, you just stay there. Now it changes. So we change to an actual F chord. You can use your little finger if you want, or your 3rd finger. Same picking pattern though. Fingers and then thumb. 2 of them. Then we change to this chord, which is the inversion of the chord we were using for F major 7th. This one was F. This is F major 7 with the major 7 in the root. Or you could call it F over E. Whichever way you prefer. Then we go to D minor. I'll spell those out. F was 10, 10, 10. And then the F major 7th in the root was 9, 7, 10, 9, 7, 10. D minor, 7, 7, 10. D minor over C. A little bit of a stretch, that one. And then we're going to keep our 1st finger there, move it to the middle string, and move our 3rd finger onto the 7th of the top string, and do a G chord. Now I like to strum that sometimes, or you can go. Either way, that works. So all I'm doing there is I'm adding my little finger on 9 and then 10, just like a boogie. So I'll play that part for you. Vocal lick in there. Okay, on to the bridge. 4 chords in the bridge. F, G, C, and E7. We're going to do the F here, 5, 3, 5. The G here, 7, 5, 7. The C we're going to do with 3 fingers, because we're going to go 4, 5 at the end of the C chord. To the E7, which is 9, 9, 7. Like that. On the 4th time, we're not going to go to the E7. We're going to let it ring and do a little bass run. And then we're back into the song. I'll play that for you. then there you go. That's basically the song. Anyway, I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.